Hello, it's me, Badger. You're gonna love the tale I have for you today. You wanna hear it? Okay, let's get started. The Cicada and the Great Hornbill. Okay, Shapes, over to you. Once there was a cicada. Not sure what a cicada is, hey? Well, it's a flying insect. Okay, so a caterpillar is an insect, but I'm looking for a flying insect here. Nice try. Butterflies are flying insects, but this story is about a cicada. Great job! That's a really cute cicada. Now, this cicada loved to sing.
Oh, I love to sing my merry song all day long.
Yes, this little guy could make a noise all right.
Nya, 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 nya. Nya, la, 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 la. La, 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 la. La, 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 la. La, la.
Now, one day, the little cicada met a great hornbill. Beautiful! Now, the hornbill had been taking a nap until, well, you'll see.
Oh, I love to sing my merry song, yeah, all the day long.
The hornbill was sleepy and grouchy, but the little cicada didn't notice. He just kept on singing.
To sing my merry song.
Stop with the noise. It's driving me crazy.
But I love to sing. It's what cicadas do best.
And I love to sleep. It's what I like to do best.
I suppose I could sing quietly.
Great idea. Now buzz off, will you?
But when you're a singing cicada, it's hard to keep quiet for long.
No, hello.
You again. You're still here. I thought I told you to buzz off. Now shoo!
Help!
Hold on. I'm coming.
Don't worry, I'm going to get you out.
Come on, Shapes, let's help him out here.
Climb onto my beak now. There we are. Well done.
I didn't mean for you to fall in.
Oh, thank you. Oh, you saved my life.
No problem at all.
Now the little cicada was happy to keep quiet. His singing had got him into enough trouble for one day. So all was quiet in the forest until... a python slithered by.
I'm going to get me some sleepy hornbill.
But when the little cicada saw that the hornbill was in danger, he did what he knew best.
Gee, you saved my life. Thank you.
Oh, that's okay. Anything for a friend.
And so, the little cicada and the great hornbill became good friends.
Here we go. La 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 la.
The cicada even taught the hornbill to sing.
Once again. La 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 la.
Showing us that even when we are different from each other, we can still be great friends. So until next time, my friends, stay in shape.